Which of the following cell division is known as reduction division? Meiosis. Which of the following weightlifters won the BBC Indian Sportswomen of the Year award in 2022? Mirabai Chanu. Which glacier is the source of river Gauri Ganga, which is an important tributary of river Kali? Milam Glacier. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 39A of the Indian Constitution? To promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid. Pongal is a festival of which state? Tamil Nadu. Which state has the highest sex ratio as per the 2011 census? Kerala state has the highest sex ratio. Under which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution equality of opportunities include its reasonable classification and provision for backward class of citizens is provided? Article 16. Who is credited with the setting up of Brahmo Sabha for religious reforms in 1828, which was later called Brahmo Samaj? Rajaram Mohan Roy. Which physicist is known for discovering that any periodic wave can be represented as an infinite number of weight sinusoid, the sum of sine and cos waves? Jean-Baptiste Joseph Fourier. Which of the following laws represented by the formula T2 by R3 compares the orbital period and radius of the orbit of planet with that of other planets? Kepler's third law. Nirmala Panikar was honored with which of the following award in the year 2019 for her contribution to Mohiniyattam? Sangeet Nata Academy Award. Cropping season between Rabi and Kharif is called Jared. Who among the following personalities is or was not an Indian ghazal singer? Bhimsen Joshi. Indian March 2023, the Central Board of Direct Tax extended the deadline to link permanent account number and other from 31st March 2023 to 30 June 2023. In which of the following years was Muslim League founded? 1906. According to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, 2021 and 22, which state in India is the largest producer of natural gas? Assam. While using the income method to compute national income, which of the following is not to be included? A and C. Income from lottery and income from illegal activities like gambling. Under the new IPL rule in 2023, who among the following Chennai Super King players became the first Impact Group player in the history of the tournament? Tushar Deshpande. The folk dance of Chai Vitul Kali is associated with the following Indian state? Milan, Cortina d'Ampezzo.
Next.
The fiscal policy achieves the macroeconomic goals by using which of the following instrument? Taxes. Which of the following folk dance form is performed by men in Haryana? Goga. Which of these is not a part of classification of economic activities carried out in an economy? Law and order. Which of these statement is correct? The economic wealth of a country does not necessarily depend on the possession of resource. The Gahadavalas ruled over which region of India? Kannauj region. Which of these is one of the fallout of industrial licensing system? Large industrial houses availed licenses to prevent competition.